everyone, I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So on this video I will be sharing with you a very powerful drink that will shake off like 10 years from your age. Yes, I said 10 years. That is no joke. There are so many treatments that you can use topically on your skin to make your skin look years younger, but that one thing that influences the way your skin looks is what you put into your skin internally. So this drink is jam-packed with nutrients and vitamins that you need on your skin to leave your skin looking years younger. You remember I always say as early as in our mid-20s we start shedding skin, losing nutrients that give your skin its youthfulness. So this drink is there to replace all those lost nutrients you shed every day from your skin. So it is very important. The drink is rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, so many other vitamins and minerals to replace all the nutrients we lose. So if you are from ages 25, I highly recommend this drink as it will replace all those lost nutrients, leaving your skin now looking vibrant, glowy. And one of the ingredients in the drink will help to detoxify your system, removing toxins from your system that make you look dull, flaky, not fresh, not hydrated. So this drink is very important. I highly recommend it for aging skin or just to leave your skin looking beautiful. So one of the ingredients in the drink is what people pay a lot of money, like rich people will pay a lot of money to change their blood so their blood looks clean and young. One of the ingredients is there to clean your blood, detoxify your system, and give you more blood. Like it will help blood circulation on your skin, so your skin always feels strong, not weak. It equally has folate that will leave your skin looking strong, improve your bones so you don't feel like you are dying because you are aging. So this is the drink. I'll show you how to make this drink to improve your life. You will look years younger if you start drinking this. This is so powerful. It has a lot of benefits to the skin. So I will show you how to come up with these. Yeah, very good. It is so nice, naturally sweet. So I'll show you how to come up with these. And if you love my tips and haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to do so now by hitting the red subscribe button right below this video so you don't miss any of my healthy skincare tips. And yeah, stick around and learn how to come up with this. So in order to make this very powerful drink, the first ingredient you need is beets. That is because beets are jam-packed with so many vitamins and minerals you need, especially for aging skin. That is because we shed skin and nutrients that give our skin its usefulness as early as in our mid-20s. So consuming something like beets with so many vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin E will help replace all the lost nutrients. So what you need to do is to peel the hard cover from the beets and you slice into tiny pieces that you can easily blend in your blender. So beets are equally very powerful detoxifiers. It will help to detoxify your system, cleanse your system, remove toxins from your system, clean your blood, and improve blood circulation. So that makes it a very powerful ingredient. So you take your time, slice into tiny pieces, and that is the first ingredient. It equally helps to stimulate new cell production. So all the skin you shed, it will help to like stimulate new cell production on you, yeah. So yeah, that is the first ingredient. You just slice into tiny pieces. And the second ingredient for the drink is carrot. That is because carrots are equally jam-packed with so many vitamins and minerals to improve your skin's immunity. It is rich in vitamin A, C, D, E, and many other vitamins and minerals. It helps to leave your skin glowy and beautiful. It equally helps to improve blood circulation and leave in so many vitamins and minerals you need. So you equally slice your carrot into tiny sizes and add into the beets. So the third ingredient you need to add inside is orange. So orange is very important because it is equally a very powerful antioxidant to fight free radical damage. It will help to improve the digestion not allowing you to digest whatever you eat, so you don't store food, causing congestion into your system. So that is the importance of the orange in the drink. So what you need to do is you slice your orange, clean, is like squeeze the juice out of the orange, and you now pour everything in your blender. Make sure to add water to be above the ingredients and blend. So after blending, you mix well, get your sieve, and you extract the juice from the chaffs like I'm doing. So here is your drink. You're good to go.